Hello everyone, it's mango and avocado season, so let's make some healthy fruit salad. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Greyglamma. Today we are going to make some fresh, light and delicious fruit salad. The ingredients, I will leave them in the description box. So first you wash, cut and dice the mango. Use sweet mango. Meanwhile, why don't you hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And don't forget to tell me where you are watching from so that I will send you a special greeting. Today's special greeting is for Lady Bridget and Nyono, who is watching and supporting us from California, USA. Thank you so much for your support. Make sure that the sizes of the mango is not so big. Now, you do the same thing with the avocado. Wash, cut and dice the avocado. This is their season, so you can get them easily and very cheap from the supermarkets. Or if you have the trees at home, you pluck it from your tree and make delicious fruit salad. Do you know you can also make fruit salad from seasonal fruits like pineapple or orange? Yes. Just get them and make your fresh fruit juice. Now you add the diced avocado to the bowl. Now we go ahead and cut one jalapeno. This might come as a surprise to you because we are preparing fruit salad, but don't worry. I urge you to try this at home. Add jalapeno to your fresh salad, fruit salad. You will love the taste. Yes. Now we go ahead and dice some pecans, dry fruit. We are going to add dry fruit to the fruit, that is the fresh fruit salad. It is going to be delicious and yummy. Go ahead also and dice some cherry tomatoes. This is complete. Yes. Nutritious, delicious, healthy, everything. Then when you have prepared the fruits, we go ahead and prepare. Now let's prepare the dressing. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, brown sugar, black pepper and a little salt, just a pinch of salt. Mix all of them together and you have your correct and wonderful fruit salad dressing. Now add the dressing to the fruit salad. This is already taking a wonderful shape. Mix all of them together. And you have your delicious, fresh and spicy fruit salad. You know, the sour taste of the lemon juice, the sweet taste of the mango, and the spicy taste of the jalapeno gives this fruit salad an exotic taste. Try it at home and let me know how it comes out. It will come out tasteful, wonderful, healthy and everything. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share the video. Also tell me where you are watching from so that in my next video I will send you a special greeting. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, remain safe and remain hydrated. Bye.